Hello, I'm Bruce Bannister, Assistant Majority Leader for the House. Earlier this month, the House approved sweeping tort reform legislation. We believe improving our economy means helping protect small business from frivolous lawsuits while still protecting your rights to our legal system. This critical reform is now in the state Senate. It is important that this legislation become law this year so that we can tell businesses from across the country that South Carolina is open for business. The House overwhelmingly approved our tort reform package that consisted of 5 major pieces. We limited punitive damages to 3 times the amount of the compensatory damage, or $350,000, whichever is greater. We established a cap on the bond a business must post to file an appeal in a civil lawsuit. The cap will be $25 million for large businesses and $1 million for small businesses. The legislation reformed the statute of repose. The language assures that building code violations do not automatically constitute fraud, gross negligence, or recklessness. Such violations may be introduced as evidence. We repealed the statute that makes it impossible to show in court that someone failed to use a seatbelt. And finally, we protected taxpayers by limiting the attorney's fees an outside attorney can collect when employed by the Attorney General or the solicitor. Our version of tort reform is moving very slowly through the Senate. I urge you to call your senator and tell him that conservatives want real tort reform approved this year.